Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here back on another video. Today I'm going to be showing you the M Performance badge. So this is the M Performance LED badge you get. Well, you buy them obviously. Took 1 month to come, but yeah. Not exactly sure how you're going to fit this in. Like there's nothing to tie it in the back, you know. There's this, but where does it go? Unless you're going to put a screw through there actually. You might have to actually, I don't know. Yeah, I'll have to figure it out. And I'm going to have to figure out where to get power from on the car. So we're going to run it to the fuse box somewhere, and tap into one of the fuses. Oh fucking hell. Guys, now I'm going to show you what it looks like by using a torch. So this torch is 12 volts because it has 3.7 volt batteries in there. So this end is negative, I believe. Yeah, this end negative, positive. Okay, so okay, I'm going to pass the camera to my colleague. Okay, hold it up. His buttons, his butt hand knuckling. Okay, this is the badge. Well, can you see that? Okay, so black is negative, positive is red. So this is how you can test it before you put it in the car. So there you go. Oops. Okay. Fucking hell, it's flickering because there you go. Okay, so that's what the badge will look like. It'll be a bit more powerful, I think. But either way, even that looks nice, doesn't it? Look how nice that is, guys. That's what the badge is going to look like. It's going to sit on your grill. So for me, I'm going to put it on the right side grill, because that's where the most M Performance badges go anyway. So I'm going to put it on the right side grill. Because I put the diamond grills in, it might be a bit difficult for me to do, because I won't have any space to put like these things through, these holders. So I'm thinking, how the hell am I going to go about doing this? So yeah, stay tuned, guys. There's going to be a headache to install, but it'll look really nice once it's done, because you won't be able to see anything. And yeah, hopefully we can get this installed. We've got two big issues. The first issue is the grill, and second issue is the wiring. But we'll figure something out. We'll figure it out. Alright guys, end it.